Variable water levels are common on degraded peatland sites, with areas that are either too wet or too dry. The Moor Space project is tackling this issue on Thorne Moors by draining and damming the large pools of water for better hydrological control. Being able to lower the water table lets the project revegetate the bare peat underneath with peatland plants, like sphagnum mosses, that would otherwise not survive in the deep water. On some areas of bare peat we are helping to boost regeneration by planting sphagnum plugs, but more on that in a future video. Once revegetated, the water level can slowly be raised as the peat surface builds.